Yo, what's going on, everybody, man? We are back with another video, and I know you see by the thumbnail and the title, your boy hit on another major shock drop restock that the Nike sneakers app just did this past week. I know you guys have been seeing all these shock drops and restocks and stuff like that. I try my best to show you guys, let you guys know, put you on game on what's going on. And recently, it was exclusive access that just went out on the 29th of November. And I told you guys in the Air Jordan 11 Cool Gray unboxing I did, people's like, no, they already did exclusive access on the sneaker. And I told you guys, yo, just trust some of the things that you guys hear I talk about sneakers on YouTube, on IG, and on Twitter. Definitely probably get the same information from, the same reliable sources. Usually once one person says it, then a lot of people kind of, get more information, dig into it, ask different cook groups, stuff like that, and it happens. So make sure you guys subscribe right now to the channel, ring the notification bell for your boys so don't miss out on any other shock drop information and restocks, exclusive accesses that go out for these sneaker drops, man. So I know you guys know the Air Jordan 1 patent breads is coming out very soon, and I'm hearing that it's going to be an exclusive access going out pretty soon for that. It's not going to be a shock drop like they did the Air Jordan 11 Cool Grays, because these patent breads is a little bit more limited than, of course, these Air Jordan 11 Cool Grays. So make sure you guys stay tuned, like I said, by subscribing, hit the notification bell, and you will not miss a beat on what's going on with these shock drops and stuff like that surrounding the Nike sneakers app. Make sure you guys leave a huge like on today's video. We about to jump right into this restock dub that your boy got on Nike sneakers app. And make sure you guys click that link down below, take you straight over to my IG, give your boy a follow at The Real Da Vintage, and that'd be greatly appreciated, man. So let's get right into this unboxing, man. All right, here we have it, man. Here we have it. So I know you guys been hearing me talk about the restocks, stuff like that, and it was two shoes that I really wanted. So it was really only two sneakers that restocked. It was a men's pair of the Air Jordan 1 Low Starfish and a women's pair, and it was a pair of Air Jordan 4 Lightnings. We went live, we talked about it, we chopped it up, and we built that anticipation up all the way into the drop. And your boy was only able to hit on one sneaker. So if you guys was tuned into the live stream, you already know what this is, but I want to put you guys on how to actually hit on these shock drops and exclusive accesses and stuff like that in today's video as well. So let's get right into this unboxing real quick. Flipped it open. Let's go ahead and get these things out the box. And I already know what these is, man. You guys should know what it is too, especially if you skip through the video. If you didn't, hey man, I really do appreciate you for tuning in the video and actually listening to what your boy's saying. So let's get into these things real quick. And yes sir, we have not one pair, but two pair of these beautiful things right here. So you guys already know what the box is. Air Jordan 4 Retro Tour Yellow Dark Blue Gray. These just retail for $220. Check that thing out, man. $220. Let's go ahead and pull these things out of the box and chop it up real quick. All right, so at the beginning of the year, I said some of my most anticipated sneakers of the year, and this by far was top 5 most anticipated for me. The Air Jordan 4 Lightnings, man. These were released a while back, and your boy was going super crazy over. I'm like, yo, I gotta have these things, man. Just like the Fire Red 5s, just like the Air Jordan 4 Fire Reds, just like these Cool Grays. A bunch of these shits that's been dropping, and your boy need at least 2 pair. Like, it's like one of those things, like, you growing up, you couldn't afford the sneaker, and now that you can, I just gotta go crazy, man. I gotta get a couple pairs of them, throw one on ice, and actually wear some of them, get some dope fits out of them. Like I said, when you got that sneaker on ice, you can go back on it after you done beat one pair up. I already wore my other pair once, which I'm about to grab right now. All right, let's go ahead and take these things out real quick. I got actually one good fit out of these. I did not get a picture. I need to make it more of a, urgency to actually get pictures of all the outfits that I rock. So you got these things right here, man. I wore them one time. I was like, yo, I gotta get another pair, man. I really love this sneaker. I love the Lightnings. Another pair that I'm really missing is the Air Jordan 4 Thunders, man. We got the red Thunders coming out, but I need the original Thunders, man. So we're gonna put this one right here. But you guys hear my excitement, man. Every time I get these OG, or not OG colorways, just pretty much colorways that I missed out on growing up, and they come back out, it's like I have to get a pair of these things, man. So I know if you guys probably grew up like me, you really couldn't afford many shoes growing up, and now that you're able to, it's like a good feeling, man. So it's a great feeling to actually have these things, to unbox sneakers, have a room full of sneakers, something that you really love growing up. You just couldn't afford it, but now you're really able to live the whole sneakerhead life, you feel me? So I know it sounds corny, I know it sounds cliche, but it's honestly true. Like, I really love sneakers. Growing up, I couldn't get them. Now that I can, it just makes it 10 times better to to actually unbox these things and now to show my subscribers on YouTube. I never in a million years think your boy would have a YouTube channel talking about sneakers, so it's also super dope just for that right there. So yeah guys, like I said, the Air Jordan 4 Lightnings restocked along with the Air Jordan 1 Low Starfish, the women pair and the men pair. But I want to put you guys on. So first let's go ahead and knock out shock drop. So pretty much a shock drop is a drop where Nike randomly releases sneakers, usually giving it a 10-minute draw. If not, lately they've been making a Leo. So for these right here, they just had the price tag on there. You can click it, click your size, stuff like that, and they put you on a line. But the past couple restocks, they actually been doing it on a draw. So it's usually like a 10-minute draw. You can go in there, enter for a chance to win a sneaker. If you get selected, then just kudos to you. You're one of those lucky people that actually win a draw on the Nike sneakers app. But usually with these shock drops, in order to know about them, you gotta be subscribed to like YouTubers that talk about sneakers, of course, sneaker YouTubers, whatever you wanna call it, be in cook groups, different cook groups surrounding, and like it's so many cook groups, it's crazy. Like it got some good information. Definitely find you a cook group. Twitter, I follow a bunch of different people on Twitter, and I also retweet a bunch of their tweets talking about exclusive accesses, shock drops, and stuff like that. So it doesn't hurt for you to go on Twitter, find different pages and stuff like that that's actually talking about restocks, shock drops, and exclusive accesses. And the next thing we're gonna be talking about is exclusive access specifically. So it's no algorithm or anything as far as getting exclusive access. Is super random. I can count on one hand how many times I get exclusive access, and I don't think it's something that gets surrounded a lot. Like I know some people say, yo, I got exclusive access for this drop, the next drop. They'd be like, I got exclusive access for everything. But I don't know how true it is. I know people have multiple accounts, people have multiple phones and stuff like that, and they're able to get these exclusive access on these different devices, but not on one single device. Like I said, it's super random. Nike just randomly selects you, get super lucky, and you're able to go onto the app at whatever designated time they give you, usually 12 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, 9 a.m. Pacific Time, and you can go on there, select your size, and you can also go on there and get a GS size for whatever release it is. So you get knock out two birds with one stone. I was able to get these in my size. I was able to get a GS size for this Air Jordan 11 shock drop. But exclusive access is you can go on there. It's really no rush, but it's not set in stone that you're gonna get your size. So as soon as you see that you got exclusive access, go into the app, go ahead and grab your size, and if you want to go back and get a GS size, you can do that without no trouble. It's been a couple of times I got exclusive access on Air Jordan 1s, and I was able to get my pair, like I said, go back and get a GS size. And lately, like I said, the GS size has been going for a little bit more money on the resale value, and the quality has been just as good as the men's pair. And just like the shock drop information I just gave you guys, the same thing falls in effect for the restocks. Just follow some Twitters. My go-to was J23 app, and then I start relying on Soul Links. But there's so many other people on Twitter, on IG, and stuff like that that give you guys this information, as well as me. Like, I don't know what Nike's doing. I follow these different Twitters and IGs and cook groups and stuff like that, and I consume the information just like everybody else out there trying to hit on these restocks and stuff like that on the Nike sneakers app. So yeah guys, I hope you enjoyed today's unboxing, breaking down exclusive accesses, restocks, and shock drops on the Nike sneakers app. Super easy. I hope you guys follow along with the video. Please let me know if you hit on anything on a restock. Of course, it's going to be some more exclusive accesses, shock drops, and restocks coming very soon. It's around our Christmas time frame. This is usually when we see Nike sneakers app doing a lot of these restocks on the app. Make sure you guys subscribe to the channel right now. Ring notification bell for your boys so you don't miss out on any other content that we drop. Leave a huge like on today's video. We're so close to that 50,000 subscribers. Every like, every comment, and every new supporter really does help to reach that goal. Like I said, my IG will be linked down below at The Real to Vintage. Click it, take you straight over to IG, give your boy a follow, check out some of the photos we post over there. And with all that being said, I'm gonna catch you guys in the next video, man. Peace.